What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the easiest blackberry that there is to grow. Blackberries can be somewhat challenging to grow. Many varieties tend to be highly invasive. You plant one plant and different blackberries will sprout up many feet away from the plant all over your yard and garden. It's just annoying and you constantly have to look for those little sprouts all over the place. Then you have the whole thorn and trellising issue. Lots and lots of blackberries require extensive trellising and difficult, sharp, serrated thorns to manage. So they're hard to hang, they're hard to control. Also, most blackberry varieties fruit on the floricanes, which are little 45-degree offshoots that grow off the main canes that come out of the ground, which are called primocanes. So you have to know how to carefully prune your blackberries, because if you prune off those floricanes by mistake, you will not get any flowers. Well, this one variety fixes all of that. This variety of blackberry is called Prime-Ark Freedom, and it was bred to avoid all of those problems. This variety does not require any trellising because it is an erect variety. It grows straight up as a clump, and while it is possible that you may have a blackberry pop up here and there off a root node a few feet away, it is rare and easy to control. It is not nearly as invasive as most types. It is also a thornless blackberry that tastes great, so you can have all of the wonderful taste of the blackberries that you love without managing the thorns, and you never have to trellis it or stake it. But the real game changer with this blackberry is it has the unusual ability to fruit on the primocanes. So at the end of the year, I don't have to carefully prune this plant. I just remove all of the dead canes that died back over the course of the growing season, and then I simply cut it back to about 2 feet from the ground, and then in the spring, all of the primocanes that sprout out of the ground will produce fruit. So it's super easy, and I don't need any of the maintenance that most blackberries take. And the production on these canes are absolutely ridiculous. Today is May 16th, and I already have this level of production, and I have picked buckets of blackberries already. I already made several batches of blackberry jam. We've had several batches of blackberry ice cream, and they just keep pumping out more and more blackberries. And this was all done with no pruning, no trellising, no fertilizing, no nothing. This is just growing in a compost mound. Every single winter, I cut my blackberries back to a few feet from the ground, and then in the late winter, I add a few shovelfuls of compost, and then I mulch the area, and it grows in the compost and the decaying mulch. And I get the most ridiculous productivity that you could ever imagine. Look at that beautiful shot right there. This variety will produce some of the most enormous and delicious blackberries that you have ever had or ever seen. A lot of them get to be the size of a silver dollar coin. I know some of you in the Pacific Northwest will say, oh, the wild blackberries that grow around here are so much better. But I'm telling you right now, those are thorny messes, and you know how difficult they are to manage. And these are going to destroy anything that you get from the grocery store with absolutely none of the maintenance. And the flavor, just wonderful. I mean, look at this blackberry right here. Look at it. It's absolutely huge. Is this not one of the biggest blackberries that you've ever seen? And it's zero maintenance to grow. Oh. I just made some of the most delicious blackberry jam using 2 parts blackberries, 1 part sugar, then you bring it to a boil and you mash it down and reduce it until it's nice and thick, and then at the end you add some fresh squeezed lemon juice and it is just perfect. Then you process it in a water bath for 10 minutes and it will store for up to a year. It is the perfect way to preserve your food and save money. Oh, and by the way, that's spicy blackberry jam. Yeah, I put some dried red chilies in it just because I'm fancy like that. And let's not forget some homemade blackberry ice cream in the Ninja Creamy. So if you've always wanted to grow blackberries, but you were afraid of all the challenges that came with it, give Prime-Ark Freedom a try. It simplifies everything. For your convenience, I'll place links down in the video description to live plants of this variety. You will not believe how cheap they are. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.